So right now what I'm doing, I'm just loosening up the trying to free up the intake box a little bit. It comes off really easy. Just make sure you take the clamps off. Make sure there's nothing attached to the intake box, because you do have the purge, like it's a purge line, you know, that go run on the intake box. Mine was connected, so I had to disconnect that from the intake box. I didn't want to disconnect it from down below because it was attached to a hose, and I didn't want to mess with that because it was in a tight area. So I just kind of disconnected from the box only, and then I got it off really easy. Just make sure you take your time and just pry everything off and do it slowly. And don't break any connector. Take your time with the connectors as well. Okay guys, just a quick update. I got the downpipe off. These two bolts I grabbed from the top part. The bottom one I got from underneath. You see where the exhaust is broken? It's shot right now. So now I'm going to take the O2 sensors out and try not to swap them. You know, I kind of mark it. The rear one got the little knot right there. This one is no knot in this one, you see? So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could get everything loosened, and then go ahead and throw the new downpipe back in the car. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. So this is the downpipe I ordered from a while ago from eBay. So I'm gonna throw this on. Only reason I didn't want to put this on is because I was getting good gas mileage, but now I know it's gonna be horrible. So I'm gonna disconnect everything and then put the new one in the car. And I have a new exhaust flange too. So we're gonna do that, and then everything should be good. Oh, that was a struggle. That should have shot. So this one is in. Let me go ahead and roll this up and zip tie it, so when I get in the car, no issue. One pipe is in right now. It was a struggle. Just make sure you line it up with the old one before you match it in the car, else you're gonna have a problem. That's what I did wrong. Got it all taken care of. Now the car is ready to fire right up. So I'm gonna give it the first start. The battery's connected. The map is not connected, so it's gonna sound really funny, but I just want to hear the exhaust for now. Unfortunately, we have a little leak on that side. That bolt is not tight enough, so therefore we have to go back and tighten that one right now. So everything is back together right now. The downpipe is down there. Yeah, I just gotta clean up this area a little bit. I already fired it up. It's not leaking anymore. I don't have a clamp for the bottom because the clamp they sent me for the bottom is way too small. That one right there is way too small. So I have to pick up new clamps or get like clamp bolts just to hold it on. But everything is done. I'm gonna clean out underneath the car, then should be good. This is the car that I put the downpipe on. I'm in traffic right now, but as you guys can see, the exhaust leak is fixed. Everything is running perfectly fine on this car. Like, I want you guys to hear it. Let me turn the AC off. Yeah, so it's not that loud. It's not that loud because I still got my it's not loud because I still have my muffler on, and I still think I have the cats that's in the middle with the resonator. No, wait. No, the cat is deleted because I have Catless downpipe. I'm lying. I got another flange. But the pipe with the flange got a little cat on it. I'm not sure if it's a cat or what. But in the back, it also got the resonators on it and the muffler. That's the only thing that's on the car right now. And it sounds nice, man. And I have an aftermarket blow-off valve. It's not bad. This car sounds really, really good. I want to get some flybys for you guys so you guys can really hear it outside of the car. That's it. So that's how it sounds, you know. Everything. That's how it finally sounds. And that's everything. So you got mufflers.